So now we're going to take a look at something else that MLS offers, the San Antonio Board of Realtor MLS. This is somewhere down here when you click in there and you go down to the bottom right under Tools. We're going to talk about CubiCasa. So what this is, I'll open it up just so you can kind of see before we jump into it. This literally lets you get in. It's free if you sign up through your portal. So you have to go here to your IMLS portal, search CubiCasa, sign up this way to make sure that you get the free version. You don't have to pay for it. And then once you're in there and you have your free version, again, I clicked on it. It opens up 5-minute scan. You have it on the app on your phone. You walk through, you turn in the room, and you just hold your phone, walk around each room like you're doing a scan. It automatically turns it into like a blueprint of your home, or a floor plan. I apologize, a floor plan, not a blueprint. And this is what it looks like. Primary, then you can label them: primary, living, hall, kitchen, etc., etc. And then this is simple, and I'll see if I can jump. This is the home here, what it looks like, and here's that way. It gives you a whole different opportunity, kind of a different way to present. This is great. People love to come in. See, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Here's your garage, dining room, open living room. Here's your dining room, pantry, etc., etc. It's all when here's the kitchen, open living room. Lets people see what the home layout is very well. It also will get the dimensions for you when you do it. It's a free service that comes with your MLS. A lot of people are not taking advantage of it. So again, you go to your MLS, you go to My MLS, the home. Once you've done that, bottom right, tools, resources, links, CubiCasa floor plan. Very easy. Make sure to sign up correctly so you're not paying for it. It's a free service you can use. They are going to try to upsell you to do extra little things, but this is what it looks like for the free version. Go ahead, get some more listings. You haven't liked and subscribed, give me a call. We'd love to have you like and subscribe and join the channel.